Hi, Clay Lamb here with American Chimney. Thank you for the opportunity to serve you. We appreciate the opportunity to come to your property and kind of help identify that water problem. Sorry you have it. A lot of people have it at this time of year. You know, a little hole in that chimney can let gallons of water in. It could be on top of the ground. It could be in the brick where it needs tuck pointing. It could be some flashing. But I'd highly recommend it gets resolved. Whatever the servicemen recommend, I don't have that paper in front of me, obviously, but I would highly recommend we go ahead and start with that and get that resolved. And what's really interesting, a lot of times it's more than just one area that the water's coming in. And we were careful to look upstream, look in vent stacks, skylights, things like that where other areas water can come in. I'd highly recommend water repellent. We recommend Chimney Savers water repellent. The warranty is really great. The warranty is a 10-year warranty on the brick masonry. Now, another thing is, if you feel some crown repair is recommended for repair, let's get it taken care of. You start with a chimney cap. You start with a crown repair, which is the area just below the flue tile there. Then you start with the brick and mortar. Now, courses of brick are horizontal. There could be 7, 24, whatever number on a brick. They all need to be water repellent. Sometimes we'll recommend it down to the roof line. Some will say the whole chimney. Again, if you have any questions or ideas that we need to bounce around with you, give me a call. My cell phone number is 616-2300, and my office number is 662-4600. Let's talk this over. Let's get this thing resolved before it gets worse on you. Water problems don't go away. Thanks. Clay Lamb, American Chimney. We'll see you on the rooftop.